Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a loyalty card to Google Wallet on Redmi A3 Pro. To add a loyalty card, go to Google Wallet app, and then when I scroll down you can see that I already have some loyalty cards for different loyalty programs. I can click on them to display either the member ID, the barcode, or the QR code, depending on the loyalty program policy. So for some it's gonna be the member ID, for some it's gonna be the barcode, and for other ones it's gonna be the QR code. And to add a loyalty card, click on the plus in bottom right corner, then a loyalty card, and now you can choose a popular nearby service or search here for all of the available loyalty programs. I'm gonna choose this one, and you can scan the barcode with your camera from the physical loyalty card or enter manually. I'm gonna enter it manually. And approve and tap on add to wallet, and now you can see it's added, and this loyalty program in this case supports only the member ID. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.